guys, I just wanted to tell you about how my first interview went. As some of you already know, I just graduated, and so I moved to Reading, Pennsylvania to be with my family. And so I got a call for a job interview yesterday, and of course, I should have known that there was going to be some type of adventure happening because the woman asked me if I had a reliable car and a driver's license, because she said that sometimes they would have meetings that are not in the office. And so I reassured her that, I could go anywhere that the buses stopped, so, transportation would not be a problem. Well, after talking to her, I found out that the nearest bus stop would have dropped me off 15 minutes away from their office because she set me up with an interview for today at 3 o'clock. Well, I got off the bus and, I'm thinking 15 minutes is not a big deal because I'm used to walking, especially since I've never had a car. So I got off the bus and I already prepared for this walk. I made sure I carried some sneakers and had an extra pair of shirts so that I wouldn't be sweaty at my interview. Well, I get off the bus and I'm thinking, okay, it's only like I make a right at this one street and it'll turn into another one, which is the road I need to go to for the interview, and the place would be on my left. In reality, it was a trek. First of all, the road did not have a lot of concrete or pavement. There's barely 4 blocks worth of pavement the entire time that I was walking. So of course I was walking in the grass the majority of the time, and then of course it wasn't just regular grass, it was high grass, meaning I had to walk in the road half the time. And then of course, since my interview was at 3, I left here at about 1:30, and meaning I'm walking in the middle of the day, so I'm hot, it's sweating, and of course when I get close to where I'm supposed to be, it starts to rain. So of course now I'm wet, I'm sweaty, I'm exhausted, because the walk that was supposed to be 15 minutes was actually an hour. So of course I tried to call them to let them know that I was going to be late, see if I can reschedule or whatever, and the voicemail box that they sent me to pretty much said that they were unable to receive voicemails and that I would have to call back at a later time. Which I kept trying to call, and it said that I either had the wrong number or whatever. Check my email, it's the same number. They sent me a text message with the number. So I wanted to go inside and talk to the person that was in charge, apologize, and find out more about the company, because I went on their website and it didn't really give a lot of information. Well, I changed my shirt, and of course I'm soaking wet, so it was hard to switch shirts and put on heels, which I was wearing one of my sister's pairs of shoes, so it was about a size too small. So I walk into the office and I find out it's a office that is in a close to a narrow stairwell, which is pretty dangerous when you're wearing heels, that it's too small for you, much less it's narrow, and the hallway was pretty narrow as well. So I go up the stairs, open the door, and find out that they don't even have a secretary. The guy was holding an interview with another person standing right there with a knife in his hand. So I'm looking like, okay, what on earth is going on here? Like, what is this job really entailing for them to be holding a knife? So I apologized for walking in, told them I would stand outside. And as I'm standing out there, I'm hearing about, oh, these are the different types of knives, this is how you would sell it, this is the holidays that would be best for whatever. And I'm thinking to myself, are you serious? You're telling me that this interview is for a job that you have to go door to door selling knives? Come on now. I did not go to college for 5 years to paving the pavements every day just to sell knives. So of course, I walked out of that building, and I'm pretty much ready to go home. I'm tired. I've had a long walk, and I'm having to look forward to an hour to walk back. So I left, and then as I'm walking back, I stopped in somewhere to change some money so that I can get, change for the bus or whatever, and find out that the bus stop, which no one told me, or is 4 blocks away from where my interview was located. The whole time I was walking, I saw not a single bus. I get out of the store, there's a bus sitting out there, getting ready to leave. So yeah, I had a very interesting day, and I at least emailed them to apologize for not making it to the office in time, but that'll be the last time they'll be seeing me. And that is how my interview went.